The internet has already spread much more than it was expected and touched our lives in many different ways. But the experts say that this is just the beginning. They point out that today the internet is more relevant to us than any other mediums, and it will impact our lives in several other ways in the future. For example, according to reports, most people now turn to the internet for research or for information as opposed to visiting the library. Similarly, the fate of newspapers also seems sealed as more people are now turning online for the latest news. Television is coming to the internet as well. Soaps and even live sports events are today being broadcast, and there are those who are turning away from the television. So if you have a business and you want to reach out to your customers, you must have a strong web presence. Businesses are realizing this, and that is why an even number of entrepreneurs is today hiring the services of a digital marketing agency. Though the concept of a digital agency is a recent development but has already become very important. What is a digital marketing agency, and how is it different than the traditional agency? A digital marketing agency does much the same work. That is, it markets the client's business so that the products or the services can reach the customers. But there is a basic difference. While a traditional agency will use the traditional channels such as newspapers, televisions, magazines, billboards, and others like this, a digital marketing agency will market the business over the internet. It will do so over the search engines through SEO, PPC, affiliate marketing, article marketing, blogging, and such others. The digital agency, apart from marketing the website, may also sometimes design the website as well. It will ensure that the website is not just attractive to look at, but will also ensure that there are no usability issues in it. And much like a traditional agency, the aim of a digital marketing agency can be not just the marketing of the product or service, but branding of the business as well. Of course, all this is done online. So should you hire a digital marketing agency, or do you rather turn to a traditional agency? The question comes up quite often because many businesses get confused. Seeing the huge potential of marketing over the internet, some traditional agencies have opened a digital version, and seeing the huge potential of marketing over the internet, some traditional agencies have opened a digital division, and they ask their clients to try this division as well. But the fact remains that it is still always best to hire a digital marketing agency for the job. A large business may decide to do everything in-house, but this can be a lot of work. Instead, if a digital marketing agency is hired, then the company could take care of everything, from the designing and the developing of the website to marketing it.